Here's the latest from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks, a 5:25 a.m. Wednesday update. The heaviest snowfall will be done by daybreak today, exception being around Lake of the Woods, where up to 6 additional inches is forecast from 7 a.m. today into tonight. As snow tapers off elsewhere, look for northwest winds to increase into the 35 to 45 mile per hour range in wind gusts, and that will quickly cause some big problems. A lot of fluffy, wet, and also wet snow out there. Significant snow drifts, hazardous driving conditions, road closures, and snow load concerns on roofs. Again, for the most of us, that snow expected to taper off here at daybreak this morning, but the problem being for the rest of the day, wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour, especially in open country. That'll cause some major problems quickly. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.